Hurricane Beryl hits Caribbean, airport closures and travel alerts. Jamaica closes Kingston and Montego Bay airports as Hurricane Beryl approaches. Stay tuned for updates. Cayman Islands airport closures for Hurricane Beryl. Grand Cayman, GCM, closes at 6 p.m. and Cayman Brac, CYB, at 3 p.m. on July 3. Stay safe. Cayman airports to reopen after Hurricane Beryl all clear. Several U.S. airlines, including Delta and United, waived fare differences for flights to the Caribbean, such as Jamaica and Cancun. We urge all travelers to follow evacuation notices.